Jamie, welcome back to our page. We are going to be doing a ceramic coating on this Model 3. It's already, they just put the carbon fiber fin on there. We blacked out a buddy of ours blacked out all of the emblems, so it's all blacked out. And so we've already done clay bar, the iron removal, and a paint correction. So it's all set and ready to go. We just finished doing a final clean, so wax and grease, take off anything that's on there, any fillers that we had inside of our paint. So anyways, we're also using Opti Coat Pro. We're gonna apply this. This is what we use, what we're authorized to use. This is our favorite. It's easy to use, quick, self-leveling. This is A+ to me. So you can also look in here. Sweet, sweet. So the coolest thing about this car, besides everything, is the key. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the hood. I'm gonna put some of the product here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do more of zigzag lines, and then I'm gonna applicate starting from this corner. So I'll do like different sections, and then you can watch it, how it self-levels. And I'd have to just do a light pass. So kind of a little bit goes a long way, like that's a lot of product right here. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do these 50-50 passes. So I'm gonna start in one area. You can see it going on. 50-50 passes. So I'm also gonna go up across them too. So I'm gonna go down, up. And you can see it's already disappearing. It's already leveling in. If you just blow on it, it slowly goes away. So what you're gonna do is fold your microfiber. This is like an 80-20 blend. And all you're gonna do is you're just gonna go over it slightly. So it gets it all nice and leveled out. So again, load up the pad again. I'm actually gonna do a bigger area now that we got it. Now, I like to do a little small test spot just to see how it's laying. And since I know that our temperature right now, it's laying really nice, so I'm actually gonna probably do this whole area. The cool thing too that I also like about the Opti Coat line is that I can go over all the emblems and hit the plastic and not have to stress about it, because it's good. Anything, it'll coat it, get a good little sealant on there. Again, just wipe it off. Right when it rainbows, it's good to wipe off, so you don't need to. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is these are all 3M vinyl, everything around and I'm gonna coat this, and we'll just show you right here that it doesn't alter the color from the flat. So quick pass over. I'll hit this whole area actually. So wait a second, right when it starts to rainbow, like you can see it's slowly dissipating. And then we're just gonna hit over it again. Wipe it out. And then you can go ahead and see the difference. So if you look here, there's no difference. It doesn't alter. You still have that same flat look. So mainly the reason why you're coating your car is pretty much the most biodegradable bird poop, any type of chemical etching, fallout, water spots. The thing is, it's not going to prevent water spots, but if you do get water spots, it's going to make it a lot easier for the detailers or anyone that you're washing, or if you have that, you're doing it yourself. It's going to make it a ton way easier for you to, overall cleaning your vehicle is just gonna be a breeze. You're not gonna really have to scrub down your paint as hard as you would before, which you shouldn't do that anyway. I'm also gonna coat all the lights around. Let's get these lights. And the guy that bought this, he also put this carbon fiber fin on there, which is sweet, and we'll also coat that as well. So the other reason why I like this product is the other products that we were using before, if you would use the coating that's for the paint and then you hit the vinyl or you hit any of the plastic, it would leave a haze and discolor the finish of the plastic. One of the biggest reasons why I like this product is because it works for everything. And like I said, you're watching me right now. We're gonna coat this whole car. Myself, I'm gonna coat this whole car, and it's probably be under 20 minutes to do a whole car. And we're gonna do this Hummer next. It'll be the same thing. It'll probably be 30 minutes, you know, to do the whole car. Like I said, if you were doing the wheels, which this works great on your rims, which I feel like if you're not gonna do your paint on your car, you probably should just coat your rims, because your wheels, with all the brake dust, you're gonna benefit it. So if you're not gonna coat your paint, get your best dollar, I would suggest coating your rims. It's gonna help with that brake dust, and they just stay clean for a long time. All right, guys, I'm doing this last panel. I'm gonna coat it all up. Like I said, do a whole car after you've paint corrected it and prepped the paint. Like I said, it's only about, you know, 30 minutes to coat. Okay, so we're all wrapped up and finished. If you guys want to see anything more, click subscribe, leave me a comment. If you are in Salt Lake or Utah County, hit us up on my Instagram, J&G Recon on Instagram, utahceramiccoating.com. If you need anything, say what's up, like my post, share it to people. Thank you.